are large, carnivorous reptiles that have been around for millions of years. With their long jaws full of sharp teeth, thin bumpy skin, and strong tails, they are well equipped for hunting and swimming. This creature can grow up to 20 feet long, and some species live for up to 75 years. Crocodiles live in warm regions across the world, often in rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. They spend most of their time in the water, using their strong tails to swim fast, and their sensitive skin to detect movement in the water. They are patient hunters, waiting for their prey to come close before quickly grabbing it with their powerful jaws. Although crocodiles are fierce predators, they also play an important role in the ecosystems by controlling animal population. Sadly, some crocodile species are endangered due to habitat loss and overhunting. Conservation efforts are helping to protect this amazing creature for future generations.